right? Now, what restricts to become a startup and entrepreneur, right? So, like, what happens? Why you have an idea and you are unable to execute? So, this is a very good example, right? आप अभी comfort zone में हो. Suppose I am in a comfort zone, right? I am in a comfort zone. I am earning 1 lakh salary. I'm just giving example. Why should I do a startup, or why should I go for a startup? You are having a good, you got an appointment from Microsoft, or you got an appointment from XYZ CTS company or XYZ company. I'm just taking your example. So this is a comfort zone. You did your engineering and you got an appointment, right? So you're in a comfort zone, right? Now, why, and parallelly you have an idea to start on a startup, but then this is the zone which you have to cross, is fear zone. This is very important zone, and most of people, 99% people, never cross this zone. They keep on moving in the comfort zones only. So this is lack of confidence, excuses, others' opinions. So ये जो zone है ना, ये वाला pink वाला, ये कभी cross ही नहीं होता है. आपको पता ही नहीं होता आपके अंदर potentials क्या है. I have given you example of reflections, right? So fear क्या था, मैं fail हो जाऊंगा. The magazine which I published for college, I am just relating with the similar examples, right? So मैं excuse भी दे सकता था, right? And कुछ लोग मुझे डरा भी रहे थे in the sense कि कि यार ये बहुत difficult है, how you'll go to all over India, right? So to collect the feedbacks, do you have knowledge, do you have skills, you are representing a college, right? So it's a brand question of brand image. So ये वाला मैंने वो barrier cross किया. कैसे किया मैंने एक क्रॉस किया, एंड आई थॉट दैट आई विल गो फॉर लर्निंग्स, राइट? सो आई लेफ्ट माय कंफर्ट जोन एंड मैं लर्निंग जोन में आ गया. अगर आप एक बार वंस यू क्रॉस दिस जोन, ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट जोन है. दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट जोन. इट्स नॉट इजी टू क्रॉस फ्रेंड्स. ये मेरे लिए बोलना आसान है आपको, और मैंने कई बार क्रॉस किया है. दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू कि इन द लास्ट सेशन आई विल टेल यू सम सीक्रेट्स ऑफ माय लाइफ, राइट? So anyhow, so this fear zone is, is very, very pathetic. It restricts all your potentials, capabilities, and if you come into learning zone, then ride is easy. It's also tough, but then you have to be very patient, है ना? आपके पास एक patience तो होना ही चाहिए learning zone में. But then growth starts. So most of the entrepreneurs, or these, I would say, startup entrepreneurs, are the people who left their comfort, right? They cross the fear zone, they go into the learning zone, and there they acquire all skills, right? And then the growth starts, right? How it sounds, friend? सो ये जो फियर है, एंगर है, जेलस है, प्राइड है ना, ये सारी चीजें हमें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करती हैं, हमें हमें कंफर्ट जोन में रखती हैं ये सारी चीजें, राइट? और हमें ग्रोथ जोन में रखने के लिए ह्यूमिलिटी, लव, पेशेंस, करेज. सो ये जो बैरियर है ना, ये बहुत से लोग क्रॉस नहीं कर पाते हैं. होता है, सबके पास आइडिया होता है और आपसे ज्यादा टैलेंटेड होते हैं. यू हैव नोटिस्ड, यू विल बी नोटिसिंग इन लाइफ ऑल्सो दैट अरे यार, ये तो क्लास में बहुत ही उसके मार्क्स तो कम आते थे, ये तो यार आज एंटरप्रेन्योर बन गया. इवन आई एम ऑल्सो नोटिसिंग. कभी सोचा नहीं था ही विल स्टार्ट हिज ओन कंपनी. Maybe he has crossed this zone, and then he acquired these skills by some certifications, some degrees, some practical exposure, and then he came into the growth zone.
Sir, I was talking about, sir, that you are saying correctly about the investment process, sir, but the process is actually itself very not easy to achieve to achieve it.
Yeah,
About the investment part, sir.
investment part is not easy, but it takes time. It takes time. You have to refine your idea, your pitch deck. We'll discuss all this when we'll come to a session of angel investing. कि आपको
Okay,
क्या
sir.
पिच करना है, कैसे पिच करना है, कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. you know uh, I don't want to go into detail, but this thing you will come to know. So this is what the entrepreneurship development program, हम आपको ये बताएंगे यहाँ पर कि आपको पिच कैसे करना है. और it's not only theoretical. I did it for many startups and उनको कहीं ना कहीं फंडिंग भी मिली है. Right. Maybe some couple of examples are with the IIT only. I don't want to name, but Shraddha ma'am is aware. So funding milta hai. Don't worry. Shraddha ma'am, if you can elaborate, I mean to say, am I correct or not? Just wanted to your
Yes,
feedback.
Pawan, about funding, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just a brief idea कि अगर हम right pitch deck पे जाते हैं या right तरीके से जाते हैं तो there are chances that we get the fundings.
Now, I'll give them the example of the case studies present early in AIT itself.
Yes,
That out of 5 startup initiatives, 3 received funding. And especially in the context of Pawan sir, I will tell that all 3 of them got a chance of incubation, but they had to align their pitch deck a lot. There were efforts required. They were not able to pitch their idea in the right way, which would appeal to the incubation centers, wherein Pawan sir helped them to pitch that idea properly, wherein they could see the value in it. And they received funding. One group has received 10 lakh, the other group has received 2 lakh. So yes, we've seen it happening now.
तो निखिल
And it
मेरा
was just a matter of what Pawan sir worked with them was the idea was theirs. They had already built a prototype, but the way they were pitching it or presenting it, wherein they had not done their market research, as sir was saying properly, and what problem exactly they are asserting and providing a value solution to it. They were not doing that, wherein Pawan sir actually extensively sat with them, worked with them, and they came out with that pitch deck, with which the same incubation centers selected them, and they have received funds. So it helps.
Yeah, so thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your feedback. So Nikhil, what I'm trying to say here, we'll not go into detail. We'll go into detail, but then the session will come. We'll discuss on it in detail how to pitch your idea. So that is one part, very important part. Maybe it will be 5th or 6th session if I am not wrong. So don't worry on that. But see what here the concern is that one should come out from the comfort zone and then go to the learning zone and then they can go into the growth zone. So हमें क्या लगता है कि पैसा सबसे बड़ा concern है किसी startup के लिए? No, the biggest concern is the fear, feeling unsafe.
Can I say something here, Pawan sir, if you
Yes,
allow
yes,
me?
yes, ma'am, please.
Please bear with my voice today.
Yeah,
But I think what I see as a very common strength across all these 5-6 groups that we have in AIT is whether they could their idea was they were the target audience acknowledged, not acknowledged. They were, everybody had a struggle, but all of them very strongly believed कि ये तो साल पूरे ये all 6 groups have decided कि अभी इतना हमने जो किया है अभी ये छोड़ना नहीं है. So they have kept going ahead with their idea. That conviction, I think, is very important.
Yes, ma'am. Very right, ma'am. Very right. So hope Nikhil, this is clear to you, and we will discuss in detail. Don't worry.
Yes, no problem, sir.
Yeah. So things will move into the positive direction if you have right type of resources, right type of research. Research work helps you provide you the funding actually. आपका इन्वेस्टर क्या देखता है कि आपके पास कितना पैसा, आई मीन टू से कितना नॉलेज है, कितना इन डेप्थ आपने रिसर्च किया है, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट यू आर. सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स मैटर. वंस दे आर कन्विंस्ड दे विल गिव यू फंड्स. ठीक है. सो एनीहाउ, सो दिस इज जोसेफ जॉन कैम्पबेल, द केव यू फियर टू एंटर होल्ड्स अ ट्रेजर यू सीक, राइट. सो क्या होता है, हम थोड़ा सा ना डर जाते हैं. हमें डरना नहीं है. हमें sensibly, practically, we have to work hard, and we can make our dreams come true if we work properly. This is I feel, personally feel, और भी हम case studies देखेंगे, but this is what is Now, why the fear factor is there is called law of wasted efforts. See, in any, if you'll see, a lion is hunting a deer, 75% times this line gets fail. 25% only succeeds, and they accept it as a law of wasted effort. See, but being as a human, right? हम ये चीज एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. What we expect in the first go we should get the success. वो हम 75% फेलियर से डिमोरलाइज हो जाते हैं. दैट वी शुड नॉट. वो 25% कब आएगा नोबडी नोज. वो पहले वाले से फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट या फर्स्ट इसमें आएगा, फर्स्ट गो में आएगा, सेकंड गो में आएगा, और इट विल कम इन थर्ड गो और फोर्थ गो. वी डोंट नो. We keep on trying by changing our strategies, changing our ideas, or the, if any, feedback from the colleagues or from the industry. So we should keep on working. But problem, the fear is that when we get any rejections in first go, we get demoralized. That should not happen. If nature में चीजें ऐसे ही बनी हुई हैं, animals, trees, they all receptive to the law of wasted effort. उन्होंने मान लिया है कि मेरे को हर बार सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगी, बट एक बार तो मिलेगा ना. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि हम वो चीज नहीं मानते. ओनली ह्यूमन थिंग्स दैट दी सक्सेस मुझे कुछ ही अटेम्प्ट्स में मिल जानी चाहिए, राइट? एंड जब हम फेल हो जाते हैं, वी स्टॉप trying. So it should not happen. We have to correct ourselves and then again try, right? So this is the way any idea works, है ना. फर्स्ट गो में हो सकता है उनको कोई मार्केट ना मिले, या हो सकता है कि कोई इन्वेस्टर ना मिले, राइट? सो या हो सकता है कि आइडिया के लिए वो दे आर अनेबल टू एग्जीक्यूट दैट आइडिया. सो एनी हाउ, कीप दिस लॉ ऑफ वेस्टेड एफर्ट इन माइंड, राइट? वो हमें लगता है हमारा एफर्ट वेस्ट हो गया, बट एक्चुअली में नहीं हुआ है. These failures or these rejections, I would say, not failure, making you more strong and more competitive, right? Okay, so startup to scaler. So this startup is basically is when you are validating your idea. Scale up means, okay, now you got some market, now you are trying to scale up, right? And once you got some market, now what you'll do, you'll try to sustain the business. So sustainability means year on year you are growing. So this is a principal concept. So startup is validating your idea. Once you are validated with your idea, you will slowly scale up, and then once you scale up, and you'll expand your market demographics or target market, and slowly you'll become a scaler company. So this scaler is basically nothing, is a big company. Actually, it's a big enterprise. So again, the same thing, nothing. So startup, scale up, scaler. स्टार्टअप को स्केल अप करना है, कैसे करेंगे? जब आपको छोटा सा मार्केट मिल जाएगा, you'll get some small market and you'll start developing or giving services or products to that market. आपने एक मार्केट को दे दिया तो आप 1000 मार्केट्स को दे सकते हैं, right? So that is a scaler. So slowly startup will change into a big company called scaler, and the transition phase is the scale up, right? So these are the very first step of startup. Ask question. ठीक है, आपको जब स्टार्टअप आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट, डू बैकग्राउंड रिसर्च, जो हम अभी वी वर डिस्कसिंग एक्चुअली. कंस्ट्रक्ट योर हाइपोथेसिस, टेस्ट विद एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. छोटे से एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर लो इधर उधर, लाइक आई डिड फॉर डिलीवरिंग वर्कशॉप्स इन ऑल इन द कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड ऑल. एनालाइज द कंक्लूजन. इफ देयर इज एनी इंप्रूवमेंट, स्कोप ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट, improve it. So this is a iterative process, and once you are this is same thing which we discussed in the previous slides, like start from basics, experiment, means validate your idea, and once you are validated, you can, of course, you can register your company, you register startup, go to the market, start giving your services or product to the market, and if they are comfortable, they are happy with your product or services, you can become a scaler company. It's a big company. So this is, again, it's kind of motivating statement. So don't feel when there is no market or there is no angel investing, we normally feel very stressed. No, just hold on, keep on working. You will get everything with the right guidance, right approach. Market is there. And if there is correction required, you should be adaptable. You correct yourself, and keep your goal fixed and keep changing your strategies, right? So that you can achieve what you want. So seeds are grown in darkness. I want to say, don't worry. There is a time where you will feel very negative, but hold on, don't quit, right?